Hi everyone. Today we are cooking goat meat stew. First we put on the lever of our Greenergy cook stove to full power and pull out the canister. If your canister is empty, please fill in 1 liter of Greenergy ethanol fuel. Always make sure you store the fuel away from fire and children. Now go ahead and fill the fuel into the canister slowly to avoid spillage and then wipe off the excess. Now open the lid of your Greenergy pressure cooker. Then light your stove. Make sure you don't leave a matchstick on the canister so it stays clean and doesn't clog up. Then wait 5 to 10 seconds before pushing the canister in firmly. Make sure it is locked in place. Then we fill in a little bit of oil and start frying up some garlic, ginger, and onions. Keep frying until fragrant and then add the rest of your vegetables. Fry for another minute before adding your spices of choice. We use turmeric, cumin, beef stock powder, and salt. Then you can add your goat meat and fry everything together before adding 3 cups of water. Before closing the pressure cooker, please always ensure that the pressure nozzle is clean. You can hold it in front of a light source and see if light passes through. To close the pressure cooker, align the arrow on the lid with the handle of the body. Then turn it, squeeze both handles together and lock it in place. Make sure your pressure cooker is centered on the stove. After the first whistle, you can reduce the lever to half. This will help to reduce fuel consumption and reduce cost. After 25 minutes, we are switching off the stove. To ensure it is really off, please switch it on and off again. Allow the pressure cooker to cool down by itself for 20 minutes. This will cook the meat even further without consuming fuel. Now the meat is fully cooked. Our total cooking time was 35 minutes, and we used 150 milliliters of fuel. This adds up to a cooking cost of only 600 Ugandan shillings. Save time and reduce costs with our innovative cooking solution, a combination of our ethanol cook stoves and pressure cookers. Thank you for watching and welcome to the Greenergy family.